Holy shit.
Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing a scooter review, unboxing video and a review with a company called Navee. It's the UT5 ULTRA X. This is a $2,300 scooter, but you're getting dual batteries, massive motors, long distance riding. This thing's fast. The odd thing is I've been seeing these. I was at the beach this weekend, and a lot of people are riding electric dirt bikes. A lot of people were riding these as well. They were popping wheelies. They were putting their foot on the back of it and just having one foot out and just riding it while the ride. I never will do anything like that. It's super scary, but yeah, these are cool. I want to let you know that I love bike shops. They're some of my favorite places to go. I love motorcycle shops as well, but this is too simple. We need to just follow my lead. All you got to do is put it on your handlebars. It's usually a couple of screws. You don't need any help putting this together. So let's put it together and let's take it for a spin, and we'll talk about it, see what our pros and cons are. It's gonna be very simple. Crazy looking color. When I received it, this whole thing here was all blown out. Just to let you know that, Navee. I don't like this type of packing up here stuff because it absolutely, the little white balls get all over my stuff. So here's your screws. It looks like you got 4 screws to put on the handlebars. This is neat thing. This is neat. When you're getting one of these, don't cut it from the side, open it from the top. See if you have a buddy, lift it up, take it down. Because there's anything wrong with this, we'll have the box to be able to ship it back to the people that send it to you. You got a charger. This is gonna take you probably about 6 to 9 hours to charge. I just want you to know that. Also, your packaging people, I guess that didn't fit, so they just threw it inside here, which is all right. This thing is freaking massive, bro. I'm just putting the wires inside here. There it is. There we go. Lock that in. This got to find my scooter, so if anybody tries to steal it, that's amazing. There we go. It does come with the app as well. If you bought this used, you can screenshot that. All right, so this is going to be on your very top of the box, right when you open it up. And this is really all you have to put together. Some of them can be a little bit more difficult than others, but you got your 4 screws, and they're going to go 2 here, 2 there. They have Loctite on them. Good job, guys. And they give you a tool for it too. So let's go put it on. All right. Navee, thanks for putting blue Loctite on these. That's freaking awesome. Blue Loctite is a automotive glue for screws so they don't come untightened. You want to see, they see that blue on there? Just safe, a little safety precaution. Now this thing will actually fold and turn into kind of like a briefcase. So when you break this down, there's like a little clip right here. Right there. That's going to clamp down to the very bottom, and you can actually pick this up. Now this is not light. Here's the thing, I have almost permanent vertigo because of scooters. Their rake and trail on a scooter is extremely scary. So your rake is your shocks and your tire, and then you have a trail, which is your trail that goes forward. All scooters, the rake goes straight down, and then you have a tire. So it's very sensitive. Like any kind of movement is super scary versus something like a chopper that has a tire way out here and it's just made to go straight, and you can ride it with no hands or something like that. The reason why I have almost permanent vertigo, I was filming scooter and I didn't have a helmet on. When I was riding, I was bringing the camera in and I hit this. I was thinking I was going to make 20, and so it turned sideways, and I went in front of the bike, and boom, I had a concussion, pulled myself up, rode back to the house, and I don't even remember how I got to the house. John, my buddy, was at the shop next door, and he's like, how's it going? I was like, I don't know how I got here. He's like, well, that's not good. That's got a USB-C right there. That's cool. Wow, this thing, they have put, I'm impressed, guys, super impressed. If you watch this channel, I don't get impressed very often. This is nice. And we're done. It's very simple, guys, super simple. We're gonna pull this off. You got your turn signals, Boost Sport Eco. It has a lock. You've got a 1-wheel or 2-wheel, your battery, if it has any air indications, temperature, and then it shows incline. You can lock it, Bluetooth, all that different stuff. Get the app because it has the Find Me app, which is freaking awesome on it. I'm gonna pull this off now. All right, power. Nice. Turn signals. That's not adjustable. Ooh, I could feel the heat off that. That thing was hot. And then you got your throttle. Let's see. I might have to watch usually your power button does some stuff. Let's turn it back on. All right, so it's just looking for Bluetooth. 1, 2, 1, hold. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the M here is for 1 wheel or 2 wheel. So it's 2 wheel right now, holding the M down, and then now it's just 1 wheel. Turn signals are crazy bright. I mean, insane bright. Look at this. That is pretty insane. All right, so I figured what's going on. I just had to read the manual. I thought I did this, but like see, it says walk right now. So this is actually just gonna walk you. It won't go over maybe 1 or 2 miles per hour. But if you double tap the M button, it takes you to eco. Sorry for the noise. It wants me to find. This thing is really app based. You can put cruise control. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff for this. But we've got that. Double tap it again. It's got sport. Tap it 1 time, and it's a boost system, which is absolutely the fastest way. I think I showed you this. It's got USB-C, so you can have like a cell phone up here. Just double tap it, and then it's back to walk. You long press it, and it will turn off from 2 wheel just to 1 wheel. Blah, blah, blah. I think we've got it now. All right, let's get suited up and let's take it for a ride. This thing looks kind of futuristic. It's pretty crazy. So let's take it for a ride. Let's see what we think about it. We'll go through all the little bells and whistles. I am gonna get it hooked up to my phone. I'm just using it right now to upload a video. So anyway, we'll be right back. I do want to show you this. You charge it right here. There's a little charger right there. Again, it takes probably 6 to 9 hours. Wow, that is so pretty. Also, show you this real quick. You want to see this right here. Just lift up on this, back, boom, and then there is a little clip I was showing you. Hopefully, not too far away from it. All right, and it just goes right down and into that, and now you can be able to pick this whole thing up. And it is not light. Just a heads up. That's pretty heavy. You can also use this little clip here, like hold bags, like groceries or something like that. So slide that in, it's done. All right, let's go take it for a spin. All right, oh, you can't see it. All right, this thing looks like space age. It's kind of crazy. Very app based. You got to look at the app. It's kind of cool. I don't have my phone on me right now, but that is kind of crazy. Navee, do hydraulic brakes. You got something that's so powerful. Oh no, it is hydraulic brakes. I'm sorry. I've just never seen anything like the way you've done them. I thought they were cable brakes. Good job. Thanks, guys. All right, let me ride this thing. Make sure you wear a helmet. All right, so when you ride this thing, you got to give it a little push. And all right, so double tap. The electronics are wonky, but here we go. All right, let's go. So here we go. So on eco mode, well, number one, it has a walk mode. So that noise right there means it's cruise control. I can let my hand go and it'll run. It lights up right there. Let's see. Whoa. Dude, the Newton meters on this thing's crazy. All right, so sport. Man, this is spooky. I'm going up a hill right now. A pretty aggressive one. So throttle, the cruise control kicked in. Let's see what this does when it flattens out. Dude, this thing's crazy. But about 35. All right, so we got boost. Let's see what that does. I'm going up a hill at the moment. I'm not sure if boost is like takes off a little better, but this thing's flying. Let's see if I hit the brake or if I turn it off. Yeah. Holy shit. Dude, that thing will... That's crazy. Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh, dude. The boost is super scary, man. I don't know if I want to do that now. But boost will lift up, man. That's crazy. Wow. I'm okay. This thing is freaking flying. It says it can go 45. I haven't felt that yet. Don't judge me. This thing does wheelies, dude. I've already busted my ass once. It's crazy. Just gotta put your foot on the back. I'm gonna get this thing. Dude, I have tweaked my knee. Ugh. I've got to work for it. Love this. It is the coolest thing ever. It does freaking wheelies. That's insane. I mean, I'm just scared of them. That's all. This thing is perfect. It's app-based. It has Find Me if somebody tried to take it, or if you forgot where you put it when you were out doing stuff. Ah, geez, my knee, bro. I definitely tweaked it. Yeah, just remember, if you're an older guy, you're not going to heal quick. There's nothing wrong with this. It's awesome. 100% approve it. Love this bike. Don't love this knee. Oh, it's not busted. It feels like something just tweaked. Yeah, anyway, love it. If you want it, I'll put it in the description below. Thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all. And pray for my healing. I'll see you guys.